Google is giving these premium swags worth lakh of rupees completely free of cost. And yes, you'll be getting some premium certificates and a chance to interact with the Googlers itself. The best part is that no one knows about this event and it is completely free of cost. We are not talking about the Genie Academy app edition. We are not talking about the Google Cloud Arcade program or Student Ambassador program. It is something special that is known as Google Cloud Arcade Facilitator program. And yes, it is live. How to participate, who can participate, and what are the opportunities for it. We'll cover everything in detail. So stay tuned till the end in a concise manner. We won't make this video a longer. Okay. So what is Arcade Facilitator program? If you know about Arcade program, it's a simple program where you complete badges. By completing some labs, we earn the badges, and by earning that badges, we earn some arcade points, which you can use to redeem the swags. But here's come a catch regarding the Arcade Facilitator program. Now, Arcade Facilitator program is divided into two phases. Okay, one phase is for student and second phase is for facilitators. So currently, student phase is not live, but facilitator forms are live. Now, who are facilitators actually? So the name itself explains facilitator. Who is facilitating means helping. Like in your school, there are some mentors. If you have ever organized hackathons or participated in it, you must have seen people are guiding, people are providing credits, people are assisting you if you face any issue. Similarly, the role of a facilitator is that only in the arcade program. So you can see arcade facilitator program for facilitators is the extended form of mentorship. Like you must have faced some issues while completing some of the labs, like resource issue, like issues like this game is not currently open for joining, or when will new games live, when will price counter open. Similar kind of doubts will be addressed by them. They'll be providing you credits. You must have seen skill badges in the point system. So that requires credits. So they'll be assisting you with credits also. So in simple words, if you want to understand what is the facilitator program for facilitators, okay. For facilitators, I am saying again and again so that you are not getting confused. So it is just a add-on program, a mentorship program. Now, how to participate and how to be a part of this facilitator program? It's very simple. All you have to do is fill a simple form over here. How to fill a form? Do not worry. I've attached the form link in the description. Okay, so this is the facilitator program. Here you can see they have shared the interest form for the 2026 season and it will be live very soon. Okay, it will be live very soon. So the first thing what you have to enter your full name. If you don't have your last name also, do not worry, just enter your full name over here. Okay, just enter your full name. After that, you have to enter your email again. Make sure there are no typos on the email. While entering the full name, make sure you are using your original full name because chances are there they will ask for government ID for verification also because this is a official event, right? So you have entered your first name, email over here. After that, you have to mention your institution or organization. So here, anyone can participate in this particular opportunity. The main thing is that your age must be 18. Okay, 18 or 18 plus. If you are having 69 years also, then also you can participate. But minimum age is 18 years for the facilitator program. If you are underage, then you can participate in the arcade program. There is no limitation in it. All the links are present in the description box. Now here you have to select that whether you're a student or working developer, you have to select it. Now in country, you have to select India. Here they're asking LinkedIn profile. So just like we have Twitter, Instagram, similarly LinkedIn is also there. You have to go to the LinkedIn and just create an account. It's very simple. If you need any help, you can comment down below. Okay. So LinkedIn profile, a lot of you are asking that I don't have a LinkedIn profile. Simply create it. It's very simple. Just go to linkedin.com, create your account and share your profile link. Okay, let me just show you how to find it. So once you have created your account, you have to simply go to your profile and then you can see the public URL is here. Even if it is not showing, you can just copy from here. Now, what you have to do, you have to paste over here. Now, here it's asking YouTube channel. Do you have a YouTube channel? So it does not impact your selection process because I've seen a lot of facilitators who are not having their YouTube channel, right? They are not having their YouTube channel. So it won't impact any of the progress in selection. So you can just type NA. Okay, just type NA over here. Now here it's asking for cloud community profile link. In case you don't have, simply create it. So just right click and open on a new tab. Okay. Now here what you need to do, you need to create your account over here. Do not worry, I'll share all the relevant links over here from which you can just complete all the things. Okay. Now let me just check it. So now from here, you have to simply click on sign up over here. Sign in with Google and just allow all the permissions over here. It's very simple. Select your Gmail account directly. Make sure you're using Gmail over here, right? So that you are able to complete all the things properly. So once you have created your account, it may ask for some of the permission. You have to just click on continue and allow all the permission. It's very simple process. Okay, do not worry about it. Now, once you have created, chances are there it may ask for username. You have to enter that also. Now, how to find your user ID over here? Just click on your profile. From here, just go to profile. Okay. Here you can see activities is there. And on the left side, you can see my post is also there. So you can click on my post directly. Now you can see this is your username. So on the search bar, okay, on the search bar, I hope it is showing. In case it is not showing, from the search bar, you have to just copy your link. Okay, just copy it and let me just show you. Let me just paste over here. So you can see this is the URL. Okay, so from here, just remove the activity, copy this entire content, come back again to the form section. From here, just paste it. Okay, like this, you have to do the community profile link. Whatever user is showing, you have to paste over here. Now, do you have an active Chrome internet connection? So just yes. Now here you have to create a skills account. Now here a lot of you are having queries that I already have a skills account. I participated in previous arcade program. Can I use that? So yes, you can use it. There is no restriction in it. How to create an account? Just come to skills.google. Okay. So if you want to create, it's very simple. Just click on join and continue with Google or continue with email and password. Okay. Just enter all the details. It's similar to the arcade program registration. Okay. So you have to enter all the details. Company you can type NA and date of birth. Make sure it is 18 plus. Otherwise your account will be deleted. Then simply click on I am not a robot and create account over here. Even if you continue with Google, it will ask for date of birth and terms and condition will be there. You have to just click on the checkbox and I agree. Now I already have accounts. So I'm just continuing with Google directly. Okay. Then here by default, you'll be redirected to the dashboard section. Here you'll be redirected. Okay. From here, you have to go to your profile settings. And for getting the public link, you have to make sure that this checkbox is enabled. If you're creating a new account, you have to make sure this checkbox is enabled. Okay. And just click on update settings. After that, this link will be highlighted over here. If you are using old account, by default, the link will be active. In case it is not active, you have to update it like this. Now from right click over here, copy the link, come back again and just paste it like this. It is done. Just select 5, 5. Now here you have to answer two questions that why you think you are the right person to become a facilitator. So you can take help from the AI. Do not blindly copy paste all the things over here. Just take the help from AI and you'll be able to participate in this opportunity. It's very simple process. Just take the help from AI. Do not blindly copy paste. And you can use your own skills also, like why you think you'll be the right person, how you'll drive more people's, and how you'll help peoples to complete their challenges. Okay. Second question is that if you have ever led any of the technical programs, societies or club, like they want to know that whether you have hosted any of the programs in past or not. So you have to just share your experience. In case you haven't done, you can just create a story yourself. Okay. After that, what you have to do, just click on I agree and submit directly. Okay. So like this, you have to do the submission steps. All these things you have to do. And after that, what will happen? Once you submit it, does it means that you'll be selected? So after that, they will do three steps. You have filled the interest form. After that, selection process will be there. So once you are selected, you'll be getting an email like your application has been shortlisted for next round. Now in next round, you have to fill the nomination form. Okay. There are two facilitator. One is facilitator, second is co-facilitator. Now facilitator, what facilitator has to do? He has to just he or she has to assign a co-facilitator. Co-facilitator will be someone who will be present in absence of you. Okay, like you are busy with your exams and the program is running, someone needs help. So there'll be a co-facilitator. So acts will be given individually to both person. You don't have to share it. So once you have filled the detail, mostly when the form update will be there, I'll make a video for that also. Mostly you have to share the details of your also and the person whom you are making a co-facilitator, and you have to simply fill a Google form again. After that, the selection mails will be out after 3 to 4 days of filling the shortlisting nomination form. And after that, your task will be done. Now, here for getting the swags, do we have to do any challenges? No. Students who are enrolled under you will be doing the challenges. Oh, means students who are working under you will have to do the challenges for getting the swags. You can see if the students are completing 600 games, 500 trivias, and 1400 skill badges, will be getting metal blue zipper, hoodies, and diary logo, and much more swags over here. You can see the gimbal are also there. The this one, okay, Lego Cloud logo, blue facilitator zipper hoodie, and premium hard backpack. So like this, they'll be doing all the badges. Okay, the minimum criteria for getting the swags is that you need to enroll at least 100 students and they need to be active. They have to complete the arcade games. You can see these are the arcade games are there. They have to complete the arcade games. When they complete, your progress will be updated. You don't have to do anything. You have to just guide them. When they will complete, you'll be getting the report daily. And when you reach this particular criteria, you achieve the milestone, you'll be getting these swags. Okay, you'll be getting certificates also. The most important thing is regarding is that you won't be getting the swags instantly. Once the event ends, you'll be getting a Google form to claim the swags. It's very simple process. Okay, so we have to wait for the facilitator program to start because the this form is currently live. Earlier it was for cohort 1. Now they have updated and merged the cohort. So mostly it will be live very soon. As soon as the form is live, fill it because early you fill, the better chances you will be getting for registration. So I'll suggest hurry up and fill the form and take the benefit of this opportunity. If you still have any doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you face any issue, you can let me know in the comment section too. So thank you guys. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel and goodbye. If you still have any doubts, you can comment down below.